and make sure it stays recording. You see the numbers there. You get your fingers out the way.
Okay.
What about the side? Just hold it up as a camera. And don't put your, look, see your fingers over top of it? There you go. Let's go see how the greenhouse is doing. So how long has it been since you've checked in your greenhouse? It's been a while.
They're looking really good.
What is?
The tomatoes.
They're coming out?
Yeah.
See it with it. Go ahead, talk about it.
Right there. And there's one over here. Oh, there it is, hiding. So there's two growing, and doesn't look like this is doing very well.
What was that?
That was a gorgeous pepper plant. Let's see if we can find any other peppers. Oh, there's some of the peppers we picked from it. That came from that. Meow. Yeah,
You want to
let's
film that? Take it off.
yeah. So let's see how this will look when you take it off.
Now, how did we do this? Explain to them.
Okay, so we put tissue down, as you can see, and we just put a little bit more dirt on top of that. Wait, no, we put the dirt, then the seeds, then the tissue, then more dirt, and then plastic wrap over top of it. We put it in the sun, in a sunny area.
What was the reason we put the plastic wrap?
It was giving it its own water.
Touch that, you can finish these things.
Ooh, you're right. That's because it will make it sweat.
And what kind of tomato plants were these?
Where's that tag? Oh, there it is. Yellow cherry, December. Good. Very well. Look at this dried up pepper over here.
That's how we're filming right now.
Hey, something happened for a moment. It's all blurry. I just really hope these tomatoes will grow like last season, but not get eaten by all the cats. Look, over there, a little cat tail. Olive. Olivia. Olive?
You can still post photos of cute animals, like puppies.
And don't forget, please subscribe or just hit the like button. It helps us out a lot. And as always, peace from the Garden of Feodora.